How to unblock someone on Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. It will open all these options. Scroll down, click on Settings. After that, click on the email. After you have clicked on your email that you want to unblock someone from, in here, scroll down till you find Manage Blocked User in Chat. Click on Manage Blocked User and you'll find the person you have blocked in here. Beside their Gmail, you'll find cross mark. Click on it and they will be unblocked. This is how to unblock someone on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.